Hi everyone, welcome to Maths video class 6th. We are on chapter number 2 and we'll be starting chapter number 2, that is estimation. Estimation means to estimate the amount. It can be in terms of amount or cost, it can be in terms of quantity, it can be in terms of population, it can be in terms of size. So just estimate means to just find out, okay? For example, if we'll come here. See, before arranging an event, you actually don't know what exactly will be the quantities or the cost or something else. For example, if your parents have arranged a birthday party for you. So if suppose number of friends you have invited are 23. So it is not that the 23 will only come. It is possible that 20 may come, or it is also possible that 30 may come. So generally we take the round off. For example, when you go to a shopkeeper, if you ask for 8 chocolates and if he says, okay, I don't have change, let me give you 10 chocolates. So what is this? This is round off. You are doing round off of a particular quantity. Okay. So now here example is given. You can go through the example. This is the cost. This is the cost of expenditure or invitation cards. This is for your school, okay? Sports day, annual day, you have such arrangements. So now it is written 1530. That doesn't mean, okay, this is estimated one. Estimated means this can be there. So this can be there means plus 5 or minus 5. Means it can be here, there little bit. But this is all estimated one. This is just an approximate estimation of expenditure. Okay. So now this can be done for the cost of construction of buildings. Then population. Then size of your playground. You cannot actually go and measure it, right? And of course, how much articles are published or how much articles are supplied or manufactured. Articles means anything in a factory. So that all things come under estimation. The estimation is also known as rounding off numbers to the nearest 10 or 100 or nearest 1000. Okay, so how to do it, that we are going to see. Okay, so let us see. Directly I am going to start the exercise. So exercise 2a, round off each of the following to the nearest 10. Okay. So now what is this round off to the nearest 10? That we are going to see. So my question is round off 62 to nearest 10. So when it is set, when my question is to round off it to nearest tens, what I should do is, first, since I have told that round off to nearest tens, so I should check ones digit. I should check ones digit. When it is set to round off nearest tens, I should check ones digit. When it is round off nearest tens, I should check ones digit. Round off near hundreds, I should check tens digit. See, you know, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Okay. So it is said that round off nearest tens, so I will check ones digit. If it is said that round off nearest 100, I will check tens digit. If it is said round off nearest 1000, I should check hundreds digit. If it is said round off nearest 10,000, I must check thousands digit. Okay, so this we will be learning in the coming part. So now it is said that round off to nearest tens means previous, after digit we have to check. Now round off to nearest tens means I will check after digit, that is 2. Okay. So in this case, round off to 3 digits are there. This is 2 digit number. This is 3 digit number. But my question is same, that round off to nearest tens. So I will check once only in all. See here. Here 4 digit is there. But then 2, I will check first digit. Round off to nearest tens means I will check the digit once. Here also, whatever big the number is. Round off to nearest tens means I will check digit at ones place only. Okay, this you keep in your mind when you are rounding off nearest tens, check the digit at ones place. Now you will say, Mrs. telling continuously check the digit, check the digit, what does it mean? It means that check the digit at ones place whether it is less than or equal to or greater than 5. Less than, equal to or greater than 5. If it is less than 5, if it is less than 5 means 1, 2, 3, 4. If it is less than 5, then 6 will remain 6 and here it will be 0. I have written here, if less than 5, replace ones digit by 0. So which is ones place? This is ones place. So 2 will be replaced by 0. Why? Because 2 is less than 5. If 2 is less than 5, then it will be replaced by 0. Okay? And 6 will remain 6. So the round off value is 6. 2 becomes 60. 62 becomes 60. Okay? What is the rule? If you have to round off each of the following two nearest tens, check digit at ones place. Okay, I have checked. What you have to check? That whether the given digit, in this case it is 2, is less than, equal to or more than 5. So now in this case it is less than 5. So when it is less than 5, this 6 will remain 6 and 2 will be replaced by 0. Okay. Now second case is if it is 5 or more than 5. If it is 5 or more than 5, what will happen? If it is 5 or more than 5, then you have to add 1 to the digit at tens place. So this would become 70. Understood? Let us check in this. Question is same, round off to nearest tens. So I will check digit at ones place. Now 5. I told you if it is equal to 5 or more than 5, 1 will be added at tens place. Why? Because we are rounding off to nearest tens. So if ones digit is more than 5 or equal to 5, I will add 1 to the tens digit. So what is tens digit? Tens digit is 6. So 6 becomes 7, 5 becomes 0 and 2 will remain as it is. Now you will say why 2 remains as it is? Changes should be done in ones and tens only, not in hundreds. Why? Because we are rounding off to nearest tens. So changes will be done in these two only. When we are rounding off to nearest hundreds, changes will be done to this. Okay. Now let us see here. 543. Question is same, round off to nearest tens. So check digit at ones place, which is 3, which is less than 5. 3 is less than 5. Since 3 is less than 5, what you will do? This 4 will remain as it is. Here 5 is equal to 5. So plus 1 word was added to tens and 6 became 7. Here this is not the case. Now 3 is less than 5. So 4 will remain as it is. If it is less than 5, digit at tens place will remain as it is. So 5 and this will be replaced by 0. So 5, 4, 0. Okay. 5, 4, 0. So I have written here 5, 4, 0. Now, ones, tens, 100, 1000. Question is same, round off to nearest tens. So I have to check digit at ones place. Okay. So 1 is less than 5. So 1 is less than 5. So 6 will remain as it is. So 8, 2 and this will remain. This won't change. 8, 2 will never change. Changes will be done only in these two digits, ones and tens. So 8, 2 as it is and this 61 became 60. Why? This 1 is replaced by 0 and 6 remains 6. Okay. Now round off to nearest tens. So check digit at ones place, which is 4. 4 is less than 5. Yeah, 4 is less than 5. So 9 will remain as it is. this will remain. Since 4 is less than 5, 9 will remain as it is. So 6, 2, 9, 0, and 4 will be replaced by 0. We are going according to the rules. Here also round off to nearest tens is the question. So 6 is, now I have to check this 6. 6 is more than 5. So since it is more, so plus 1 will be added to at tens place. So 7, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3 as it is. These things will not change. 2 plus 1, 3, and this 6 is replaced by 0. Okay, so round off number is this. So I hope you are understanding what is the meaning of round off to nearest tens. Round off to nearest tens means only ones and tens, these two digits will be affected. Take 2, 1, 9, 7, 4, 9. So round off to nearest tens means only these two digits will be getting affected. So now if I want to round off to nearest tens, what will be my answer? 2197. This will remain as it is. Digit at one's place is more than 5. So I will add plus 1 here. So it will become 50. Okay, that's the magic here. Now if I want another example like 3, 1, 2, 4, 3, 5, 9. Round off to nearest tens. Again these two, ones, tens. So only these two will be affected. So here I'll take 3 only now. So 3 is less than 5. 3 is less than 5. So there will be no change here. 5 will remain 5. So rest of the number as it is. 3, 1, 2, 4, 3, 5, 0. 3 will become 0. Rest of the things as it is. Okay. So next topic is okay. Now this will continue. Now question number 2, round off each of the following to the nearest 100. So you can see 748. Okay. Now when it is said to round off to nearest 100, we should now check the digit at tens place. When it was said in question number 1 to round off to nearest tens, we were checking digit at ones place. But now since it is set to round off to nearest 100, we must check the digit at tens place. Because now it is 100, so we will check digit at tens place. So what is the digit at tens place? 4. 4 means less than 5. So when it is less than 5, now see. Now since we are talking about hundreds, the change will be here. Whatever big the number of digits, the change will be in ones, tens and 100 only. Okay, in this case you see, since rounding off is to nearest 100, what we will do? We will check the digit at tens place now. So 4. 4 is less than 5. 4 is less than 5. So this 7 will remain as it is. There will be no plus 1 here. So 7 as it is, and these two digits will be replaced by 0. These two digits will be replaced by 0. Okay. Rules are given here. You can go through the rules, children. Now second one, 784. Round off to nearest 100. So since it is round off to nearest 100, I will check for tens. So while I was checking for tens, 8 is greater than 5. When 8 is greater than 5, plus 1, see, at tens place, 8 is greater than 5. So plus 1 in hundreds place. So plus 1, 7 plus 1, 8. And these two will be replaced by 0, 0. So you can see here also round off to nearest hundreds. So I am checking digit at tens place. So it is more than 5. When it is more than 5, plus 1 will be done to the previous digit. So 6 plus 1, 7. 2 as it is. 6 plus 1, 7. And this will be 0, 0. Check this. Round off to nearest hundreds only. So check digit at tens place. It is less than 5. What you will do here? Since it is less than 5, this will not change. No plus 1 here. So 5 as it is, 4 as it is. These two will convert into 0, 0. 6388. Round off to nearest 100. So I am checking digit at tens place. 8 is more than 5. So since 8 is more than 5, plus 1 in hundreds place. 3 plus 1, 4, 6 as it is. So 63 becomes 64, 88, 0, 0. Okay. Same question. Check the round off to nearest hundreds. So I am checking the place, checking the digit at tens place, which is 2. 2 is less than 5. So this 9 will not change, means plus 1 will not be done. So 5 as it is, 9 as it is, and instead of 27, 0, 0. This is called rounding off each of the following in nearest 100 to the nearest 100. Okay. So when it is C, now question number 1 and 2 you have understood. When rounding off was done of nearest tens, we were checking ones digit greater than, less than or equal to 5. When rounding off was done of hundreds digit of hundreds place, nearest 100, we were checking the digits at tens place. When the rounding off is done to nearest 1000, we will check the digit at hundreds place. We will check the digit at hundreds place. If it is less than 4, 5, if it is less than 5, 6 will, this thousands place digit will remain as it is. If it is more than 5, plus 1 will be added to thousands place. Okay. So I am checking. So round off, question number 3, round off each of the following to the nearest 1000. So hundreds place is 4. It is less, 4 is less than 5. So 6 with this digit will remain as it is, and 3 zeros. Okay. Second one we'll see 6732. Since we are rounding off to nearest 1000, I will check hundreds place. 7 is less than 5. Sorry, 7 is greater than 5. So plus 1 will be done in the thousands place. So 6 plus 1, 7, 000. Here replace them with 0. Here 3, round off to nearest 1000. So I am checking the digit at hundreds place. So 3 is less than 5. So since 3 is less than 5, there is no change here. 5 will remain as it is, 2 as it is, 5 as it is. Instead of 3, 0, 0, 0. Fourth one you can see, check the digit at hundreds place because I am rounding off to 1000. 5 is equal to 5. So plus 1 here. So 2 plus 1, 3. So 3, 2 plus 1, 3, and 3 zeros. So ones, tens, 100, round, check the digit at hundreds place. It is less than 5. So since it is less than 5, this will not change. 9 will remain 9 and all the 3 zeros. Replace these 3 by 3 zeros. Same question, check the digit at hundreds place because we are rounding to thousands place. Rounding off to thousands place. So 2 is less than 5. So 3 will not change. This will not change. So 8, 8, 3, 3, 3, 3, and this 3 digits will be replaced by 3 zeros. Okay, so I hope you have understood. I have explained each and every question. So I don't think there should be any issue. So please complete it. Alright. And question number 1, 2, 3 I have solved. Question number 4 is homework. Question number 4 is homework. Okay. Now in question number 4 you can see here 10 is there, 1000, 100 it's so. But what about 10,000? Same rule you have to follow. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. So you will check for this digit whether it is less than or equal to 5. If it is more than 5, plus 1 here. Right? So that way you have to do. So question number 4 and question number 5. No, question number 5 is not to be done. So 5 is also cancelled. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 we are not going to solve. Okay. Only important ones we are picking now. So question number 1, 2, 3, 4 only you will solve. Okay. Thank you so much and please take care.